I've always lived with my parents. I've never left them and gone anywhere. I'd leave anything and everything for them. My wife, a Muslim background, me, a Hindu boy, South Indian family. How would it adjust?
Well, it's wonderful to have one and only one Sunil Shetty with us here in Goa on the sets of India's Asli Champion. We are just moving around right now in a car. And first of all, it's a pleasure having you back on board, Gama.
Thank you, Faridun. Thank you so much.
And so you're having this this huge show right now. As I told you that the posters are just plastered everywhere, and that entire energy is there in everyone. That Sunil Shetty is making a massive comeback.
Right.
So I believe you had a bit of a tragic situation that you lost your father in March, and that was a driving force in a way that you wanted to just come back with a vengeance, that you wanted to do something that really makes a difference in a way.
You know, I think you're one of the first who's touched the nerve that hurts the most. But for you, I haven't been working for over three and a half years, and I hated work. I don't know what happened to me suddenly. Of course, I wasn't doing great work, but I started hating work. Somebody who's worked for 25 years and over 25 films, suddenly to hate work was funny. But every time Asif, my secretary, came back to me with work, I said, nahi yaar, nahi karna hai, chhodna. Then I'd read, then I'd say, acha theek hai. Then after 20 days, I said, nahi karna hai. Saying, sir, lekin haan bol diya. Lekin nahi karna hai, bolo na. I don't care about the relationship. तो वैसे होने लग गया था मेरे साथ. I didn't understand why I was doing that. March 1st को पिताजी गुजरे और सोया था मैं. I had half an hour before people started coming because it happened at night. और सोया नहीं, मैं लेटा था और everything started striking back. I said 3.5 साल से काम नहीं किया हूँ. Why? And when I analyzed, I realized that Dad was unwell for 3.5 years. He was bedridden. और वो गुस्सा मेरा ये था कि मैं वापस घर नहीं जा सकता उनसे मिलने. उनकी फिजियो का टाइम है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ इधर, शूटिंग पे क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, 3 महीने बाहर हूँ, 2 महीने बाहर हूँ. दैट वाज द हेट्रेड. तो कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक उनके थ्रू एक मैसेज गया था विया सैटेलाइट जो मेरे पास आया कि सन स्पेंड टाइम विद मी, आई नीड यू. ही कुडंट स्पीक. I've always lived with my parents. I've never left them and gone anywhere. I'd leave anything and everything for them. And this was that one moment when I realized कि shit, parents बिना बोले भी इतना कुछ बोल देते हैं कि they impact you like nobody's business. And I think that's what my father did, But I was glad, I was happy कि ठीक है यार, काम नहीं किया, क्या हुआ, अच्छा काम कर लिया है, forget it. But the day he passed away, after that I haven't looked back. Every day there's the best of films, अभी ये television show, suddenly इतना buzz जैसे कि मेरी launch हो रही है.
Yeah,
I mean,
the buzz is tremendous.
Yeah, to an extent of me being embarrassed कि everybody uses the word hot and physique हमेशा थी यार. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं I think it came back in the form of blessings from him. I lived my whole life with him yaar.
Absolutely. No,
Not a single day without him. I never moved to the suburbs. I used to travel 3-4 hours to shoot every day. But I wanted to go back to my mother. I wanted to go back to my father. My wife, a Muslim background, me, a Hindu boy, South Indian family. How would it adjust? But she lived all her life with her in-laws. For my father, his daughter-in-law was his life. So it's affected all of us very badly, the children, everybody. Everybody goes through this in their life, but when you go through it, you realize, holy shit, yaar, what it feels.
Absolutely. So I think we're sorry that but I think it's a huge inspiration and a huge, I think, lesson for all the people who are watching, that why your parents are important and why you must take care of them. That's extremely important.